On mobile, sharing a Reddit post is super easy. First, open Reddit and find the post you want to share. Once you've found it, press the little share icon sitting right below the post. Then, just tap Copy Link, and boom, you've got the link ready to share with anyone. Now, let's switch to desktop. The process is exactly the same. Open Reddit in your browser, find the post, and press the share icon below it. Once you've clicked that, hit Copy Link, and you're good to go. But what if you need to share a specific comment instead of the whole post? No worries, it's just as simple. On mobile, find the post with the comment you want to share. Scroll to the comment, press the three dots icon next to it, then tap Share and Copy Link. Now you've got the comment link ready to send. On desktop, it's the same process. Find the post, scroll to the comment you want to share, hit the share icon next to the comment, and click Copy Link. That's it. It's literally that easy. Whether it's a post or a comment, you can copy the link in just a few taps or clicks. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips like this. Thanks for watching.